found this really just unreal location that I won't name, but it's basically just a dead-end road, and at the very end of it is this cul-de-sac with just nothing but donut marks and trees. So I'm out here, I found this dope location that I can come to now to film. I've got the F30 chilling, looking real nice, but today I'm excited because we're gonna be trying out the new gimbal. Hopefully getting some really cool cinematic shots of the F30 using this, and I'm still gonna be filming on the Canon G7X right here, so I won't be able to really show you the setup. I'm just gonna actually flip right into cinematics, but I just wanted to show you this location real quick because it's pretty unreal. If you guys missed the last video, I picked up a new gimbal. It's called the Zhiyun Crane version 1, and I'm just really stoked on it. I haven't really played around with it. I spent most of yesterday, the day that I picked it up, just trying to stabilize this camera on it, and I'll give you a quick rundown. The load capacity for the crane is actually 350 grams on the low side, and the maximum is I think 1200 grams. And unfortunately, the G7X weighs in at about 330 grams. So I was having a hard time getting the stabilizer to stabilize. Because the G7X doesn't have a big lens, there's not a lot of weight in front of it, so the camera constantly wants to bring it forward and backwards, so it constantly just vibrates like that, and it wasn't basically balancing. Now if you look at this little screw head thing here, I basically took a long screw, put it in through this, and I put a ton of washers at the end, and then actually a bunch of little nuts, but of course the camera's not gonna focus. Yeah, a bunch of nuts right here just to weight it, and now I've seemed to basically mimic the weight of a lens, and now I'm able to stabilize this. So again, this is the first time I'm really using this, so this is gonna be a learning experience for me. I'm gonna basically flip over to the cinematic video, the stuff that I've basically shot and edited and filmed for you guys, so let me know what you guys think of the footage with the stabilizer. You guys have seen my old footage with just the G7X doing handheld type stuff, but I think this will be next level. So comment down below, give me a big thumbs up if you like it, and I will catch up with you guys after the cinematic. Alrighty guys, so I just finished up the shoot. I hope you enjoyed the cinematics. I'm actually filming right now using the stabilizer as the little joystick, so as much as I spin it around, it seems pretty sturdy. So like right now I'm walking and there's not a lot of movement in it, so I hope you guys will enjoy this new content, both on the cinematic side and when I'm just maybe at like car shows or doing things of that nature. I might just be using the stabilizer as my vlog tripod for vlog footage like this. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys look forward to the content that's going to be coming to the channel. This video is kind of short, but I just wanted to get out, get some practice with the Zhiyun Crane, and hopefully up my game a little bit. But as always guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, keep elevating. See you next time, and peace out.